Hey, what's up everybody? Joshua Casper back at you, and I just want to let you know about 8 synths under $60 available right now, Black Friday. You got to jump on this. It'll probably be until about Monday or Tuesday, but you know, get it while the getting's good. Before I even start, I want to let you know that if you buy any of these synths, including the $1 one at the end of the video, you can get Neutron elements for free. So just make sure to click the link in the video description, go through, check out any of the videos on my website if you want to look at these synths in action, overview videos, reviews, whatever, and then click through, because if you buy any of them on the site, boom, Neutron elements for free. Neutron elements by Isotope, obviously high quality, one of the best to biggest brands in the world, and it's usually 130 bucks, so you get it for free. Boom. Let's jump into the list. These synths, I'm not going to do any kind of review or walkthrough of them right now because I've already done dedicated videos for each and every one of them. So if you want to come over to my blog and just do a search for each, you'll be able to find those videos, tutorials, overviews, reviews, blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to take up your time here, but I just wanted to point out what they are. The first one, and probably my go-to if you can only get one, is the Synth Master by KV331 Audio. This is a massive synth. It's got more modulation and routing capabilities than you can shake a stick at. Close to 2,000 presets, 4 oscillators, great effects system, great effects built in. Just really crazy. Look at this, 650 plus modulation targets set right here. That's insane. For 50 bucks right now, $49. That's insane. This is the steal of the century if you can get it. Next up, Sector by Initial Audio, a Wavetable synthesizer, 8 GB download of wavetables and sounds and samples to play with. Great sounding synth, 50 bucks. Again, $49. Gotta get it. This other one is an iOS/VSTi, so if you want to run it on your iPad, you can, and it puts out some super lush tones. I'm telling you, this thing sounds super great, super character driven, and the fact that you can run it through your iPad is mind-blowing to me. It's 60 bucks right there. Boom. Next up, I've got 2 from DS Audio. This is a new synth maker, at least new to me. I just learned about them this year, and these synths, both of them came out in 2018, and they both sound absolutely phenomenal. First up, Diversion, 60 bucks, $59. It's got 4 oscillators, it's got multi-stage envelopes, it's got these 2 bus systems here. So it's a really unique synth in that regard, and the quality of the sound coming out of it, mind-blowing. And that's the same with Thorne. Again, 60 bucks. It's got a few unique features. It's got a harmonic filter where you can draw in the filter harmonics with a pencil tool. Super dope. And it's got this, which is probably one of the coolest things. It's got a glitch sequencer inside of it, and if you check out the video I did on it, yeah, you'll be able to hear that in action. It's also got an arpeggio effects, got a modulation matrix, multi-stage envelopes again, 2 regular envelopes and an amp envelope. Really cool synth. Check out the video I did on it. This is Synth Master One and the Synth Master Player. These are the little brothers of Synth Master. This one's 40 bucks, so 39. Highly suggest getting Synth Master if you can, but if you only have $39 to spend right now, this is the one you want to go for. Really great synth. It's got a little bit less capabilities than the other one, obviously, but still really great. And then there's the Synth Master Player for 9 bucks, which gets all of the presets. So you get 1,750 presets. The only issue is you only have a little bit of customizability. So you can only do a little bit to change them, but you still get close to 2,000 presets. So there's more than likely a sound in there that you can use for your projects. And it's only 9 bucks. Crazy. And then the last one is Hybrid 3. $1. I don't even need to explain what this is because it's only $1 and it's super dope. So anyway, I'm Joshua Casper. I apologize for the low quality video, but I wanted to get it out to you guys today because it's Black Friday and I just don't have time to redo the videos I've already done for these synths. Links in the video description. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, comment, blah, and I will see you in the next video.
Keep on rising to the top. Ragamuffin keeps striving in every way. International, what they call me international. When me ride palm rhythm and I move, but the rhythm and I come down crucial. And me ride palm rhythm and then we sit down steady. 40 men on the place, I with the one Jamal.